The Huawei Pura X is an upcoming flagship smartphone that's expected to mark a bold new direction for Huawei, especially following the company's rebranding of its premium P series to the Pura line. As part of this evolution, the Pura X is rumored to feature a cutting-edge design with a sleek, possibly rollable or foldable display, something that would differentiate it dramatically from conventional smartphones. Huawei is known for its innovation in mobile photography, so the Pura X is likely to include a powerful camera system co-engineered with Smage, possibly featuring a high-resolution periscope zoom lens and advanced AI photography features. It's also expected to be powered by Huawei's in-house Kirin chipset or a next-gen processor built for efficiency and 5G capability, running Harmony OS. Given Huawei's push for independence from US tech, the Pura X could also highlight breakthroughs in software and ecosystem integration. Though official specs and details are still under wraps, the Pura X is rumored to launch sometime in mid to late 2025, with pricing likely in the premium range, potentially around $1,200 to $1,500 US. If these expectations hold, the Huawei Pura X could be a major player in the global flagship market, blending design, performance, and innovation.